So let me tell you an interesting story about how I did absolutely nothing on my day off. But we're gonna make it cinematic. I'm going to the bathroom, wash my hand, because I probably just picked my nose. But you'll never know that, right? So get ready to leave, go head to the store, make it out the door, looking all nice, long hair, don't care. Hop up in the car, skate off, you know what I'm saying? About to go film some stuff, whatever, you know what I'm saying? On the way to Walmart. We call it Wally World around here. But yeah, that's where I'm going. Get some stuff to film, and get back, hop out the car looking like a snack. But then the rain took me right back, and I decided to stay in the house and read a book. Interesting, right? Cinematic, though.